in the teach you the formula. The reason is only this, that you must know about it. And then again, I'm telling you, in 95% of the questions in trigonometry, there will be no need to use any formula. That is my promise. This is what I'm telling you. When I'll go to actual handout and I'll solve it for you in the class, you will find that in 95% of the questions, sometimes it will go up to 99% questions in a single paper, that there won't be any use to apply such formula. The questions are very simple. Okay, so when it will come to solving part, I'm telling you, even if you don't know the formula, that will work. Okay, but if you want to make 100% questions of trigonometry correct in the exam, there is no harm in remembering these things. Okay, so you can remember this, but this is my promise to you. In 95% of the question, when I will be solving in the handouts, or I'll show you in the previous SSC questions, there is no need to know even anything about trigonometry. Okay, basic sine, cos, tan, chord is sufficient to solve any question. Okay, so this was a tan A plus B formula that I taught you. Okay, I told you how to remember it. Just take tan inside and write in numerator. So tan A plus tan B, then 1 minus tan A tan B is coming here. Okay, I told you how not to make mistake, also to check. Also I told you that how you can check it out if you're doing right or wrong. Now I told you this also, that if you need to write tan A minus B, any A minus B value can be obtained directly from A plus B. Okay, just put B is equal to minus B, left hand side also, right hand side also. I taught you in the class that tan is in even or odd function. Please quickly write, tan is even or odd. I hope all of you do not forget these things. I told you that only cos and sec, these two functions are even function, rest are odd functions. So what are odd function? If you put angle in a negative sign, it will give minus outside. That's it. So tan is an odd function. So if you go on the right hand side, you are putting b is equal to minus b. So this tan will not change, it will be tan A. But tan B, you will put minus b in place of b. Tan being odd function will give one minus sign outside. So this will become 1 tan A minus tan B divided by 1. Then what will be the sign here? Look, tan A will be tan A. Tan B will give me one minus sign now outside. So minus and minus will become plus. It will be 1 plus tan A tan B. So if you remember, tan A plus B or sin A plus B or cos A plus B, A minus B value can be directly obtained if you have little bit understanding of even and odd function that I taught you. That cos and sec are even function, rest all functions are odd functions. Okay. Now coming to extension, that is going to be cot A plus B. Okay. So how to write cot A plus B? You know one thing, that you need to just take the reciprocal of this part. Both LHS and RHS, if you just take reciprocal, you will get cot A plus B. So if you want to write cot A plus B from here, the story will be very simple. You will reverse it, correct? There is no need to do anything, just reverse it. So it will be 1 minus tan A tan B divided by tan A plus tan B. But if you want to write right hand side in terms of cot, what you need to do, put all tan values in terms of cot. So 1 minus, it will be 1 by cot B, cot A, into 1 by cot B divided by 1 by cot A plus 1 by cot B. And if you just simplify it, take LCM and simplify, it will be cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. Correct or not? So similar expressions came while in tan A plus B. Actually tan A plus tan B was in the numerator side, while here cot A plus cot B, cot A plus B is in the denominator side, and this is cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. Now simply if I ask you immediately that please write for me cot A minus B, you should not worry anything about writing A minus B values. Okay, because what you need to do, you just need to put minus B in place of B. That's it. So if you put minus B in place of B in original equation, what you will do? The same thing you need to do on the right hand side also. What is cot? Even or odd function? Please tell me. Again, I'm asking you the same question. Cot is an odd function, because leaving cos and cosec, cos and sec, all functions are odd function. So if anywhere you put minus B in place of B, one minus sign will come out. So the numerator will become minus cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot A minus cot B. How many of you getting this? If you are not getting this, please let me know. Getting it or not? Now what will be the equation? Now, someone is raising the hand. Animesh, what is the doubt? I'm asking you what is the doubt if you are raising the hand. Okay, you got it? No problem. So you just simplify it out now. And the simplification will give you, what will you do? What will you do? Actually, you know, we are making a mistake, and that mistake has happened here perhaps. Okay, look, when you put cot B here with a minus sign, it will become minus cot B, and this minus and minus will become plus. Correct or not? If you go to this original equation, what will happen here? If you just take cot A, cot B here, it will be cot A, cot B minus 1 divided by 1 by cot A plus 1 by cot B. If you just put cot B with a minus sign, it will give 1 minus sign, so this value is going to be ultimately plus. Correct? So the value that you are writing here, if you just see clearly, the value is going to be cot A, cot B plus 1 divided by cot. What will happen here? Tell me please. Cot A will come here and cot B will go here. And where minus sign is going to come? Please tell me. You will put minus sign here. So it will be cot B minus cot A. Correct or not? Getting it or not? Not a difficulty. Just put B minus B, you'll get the answer. If you have basic understanding of even and odd function. So if you think you need to remember a lot of formulas, I'll say no. Because A plus B and A minus B are actually interrelated. Just putting B is minus B will give you the answer. And then again, you need not to worry anything. Yes, it was same as previous one, no difference. Okay, and there will be no difference obviously, because it's just simple numerator by denominator. You can do from here also, you can do from here also. Okay. Now let's come back and discuss few more things about this relations. So I'm coming now, and just I am showing you the problem solving part. How you can solve the problems quickly. Why I say formula remembering is not important. It's like this. I'm going to write a equation. The equation is sin A plus sin 3A plus sin 5A plus sin 7A. I have not taught you what is the formula of sin 3A, sin 5A, sin 7A. No. And this is given as cos A plus cos 3A plus cos 5A plus cos 7A. And if I ask you to compare this or calculate this, how will you do this? Think and give me a reply. That are you able to solve this question at this stage or not? Or do you need some formula or approach? Just I am asking you to solve this. Think and reply. Can you do this question without knowing cos 3A? Yes, you can do that. Options I will provide. Yes. Option A is tan A. Option B is tan 2A.